Hello students, welcome to STUDIFYSUCCESS. I am Utsav and this is chapter 7 of class 9, that is triangles. So firstly we will discuss about congruent figures. So congruent means equal in all respects or figures whose shape, sizes both are same. Like if I take two copies of photographs of same size, then they are equal, right? They are identical. Similarly, two bangles of same size, two ATM cards issued by the same bank, all are identical. Or suppose if I placed a 1 rupee coin on another minted in the same year, they cover each other completely. So all these all these objects are called congruent to their identical copies. What is the use of congruency? Why we are studying? So one real life example is we all have seen the ice tray in our refrigerator. So observe that the molds for making ice all are congruent. The cast used for molding in the tray also has a congruent depression. Maybe all are rectangular, all circular, or all triangular. So whenever identical objects have to be produced, the concept of congruency is used. Now we will discuss about criteria for congruence of triangles. So first criteria is SAS congruence rule, that is side angle and side congruence rule. So whenever two triangles are congruent, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the another triangle. So in this figure, triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, AB is equals to PQ and angle B equals to angle Q and angle BC equals and side BC equals to QR. So here our two sides and included angle is equals to the, so here two sides and angle of a triangle ABC is equal to the two sides and included angle of other triangle PQR. So they are congruent by SAS criteria. Now a few questions. The first question is, in the figure AB OA equals to OB and OD equals to OC and angle COB equals to angle AOD. So these three things are given to us, and these angles are equal because these are intersecting lines. So by vertically opposite angles, angle AOD and angle BOC are equal. So OA equals to OB, OD equals to OC, and these two angles, angle AOD equals to angle BOC. So this implies by criteria of side angle sides, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. So this is a symbol of congruence. See, like whenever we see the triangles are congruent to each other, we will use this symbol. And now we have to prove in second part that AB is parallel to BC. So in congruent triangles AOD and BOC, the corresponding parts are also equal. Hence, angle OAD, that is angle OAD. This angle is equals to angle OBC. So since these are alternate angles which are equal, this implies our lines AD is parallel to BC. Next question is, AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector means that angle C is 90 degrees and AC equals to BC. Like bisector means it divides the line segment AB in two equal parts. So if a point P lies on L, show that P is equidistant from A and B. So basically we have to prove AP equals to BP. So first how we will proceed. So it is given that line L is perpendicular to AB. So uh, also since it is a perpendicular bisector, so AC equals to BC and angle C is 90 degrees. So if we consider these two triangles, right? So it is given 90 degree, C is 90 degree and C is 90 degree. And PC is our common side, so this is equal and AC equals to BC. So by side angles and side congruency, these two triangles are congruent. So whenever we prove that two triangles are congruent, then their other all angles, corresponding angles and sides get automatically equals to each other. So if I prove that triangle APC is congruent to triangle BPC, then by congruent by corresponding sides of congruent triangles, I can easily prove that AP equals to PB by CPCT. CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now, if you observe these two triangles, and you can see that this side is equal to this side, this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is equal to this side. So, I want to tell you that these two triangles are not congruent because equal angles should be included between the pairs of equal sides. So as you are, so here as I told you that congruency rule is side angle side, but if you consider here it is angle side side, right? So there is no criteria for angle side side or side angle, and these two triangles are not congruent. Now, second criteria for congruence is angle side angle criteria. So, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and included side of another triangle. So, if you see the figure, then triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle ABC equals to angle DEF and angle and side BC equals to EF and angle ACB equals to angle DFE. So here it is angle side angle is equals to angle side and angle of another triangle. So these two triangles are congruent by the criteria of angle side angle. So now in this question it is given that line AB is parallel to line CD and O is the midpoint. Then we have to show that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So we have to prove these two triangles should be congruent. What is given to us is CD is parallel to AB. So what we can do is, since AB is parallel to CD, so by alternate angles, angle D is equals to angle A and angle AOB equals to angle COD by vertically opposite angles. And since O is midpoint, since OA equals to OD, so by angle side angle, this triangle AOB and triangle DOC is congruent by angle side angle. Now we have to prove O is the midpoint of BC as well. Since these two triangles are congruent by angle side rule, right? So by CPCT, that is congruent part of congruent triangle, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, OB equals to OC, which prove O is the midpoint of BC. So students, this is all about today's class. If you want to download the notes of this class, you can find the link in the description box. Also, you can download the app STUDIFYSUCCESS.